Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Jeep, and so keep in mind we're assembling the Jeep regular version as well as the Jeep window down version. So let's first do the Willys Jeep. The title of this listing is just Jeep, available at miniaturetanks.com. So first of all, you want to take and clip like that. And clip like that, and clip like that, and like that. Now take your clippers, or whatever you're using this to do this, and clip away like that. And then do the same here. Get sanded down if you wish, or whatever type of tools that you have that can maybe do a better job under those wheel wells. Next, take this, clip that, and take and clip that. There's the bumper. Here's the steering wheel. So take and clip the steering wheel. And then clean up the spur mark of the steering wheel. And clip there for the windshield. Now, important to make sure that's clipped well. All right. The last part is to clip these tires here. Clipping away process done. So now let's start the gluing process together. Let's just take some glue like that. Then you'll take that. And there you have it. Now let's take this piece and just put some glue like that. There you go. So the frame, the main part of this Jeep should be looking like that. So let's go ahead and glue on the wheels. Just do that part of the step first. Now make sure the axle goes in the center of the wheel. Okay, now let's do it on the other side. That's looking good. Now let's do this. And double checking, make sure all the tires are hitting the surface. I'll go ahead and put some glue there. Then you can put this tire there. the spare tire. But we're not done yet. We have this bumper to be put on. Put some glue like that. Alright, that's the way the bumper should look. Now, let's go ahead and put some glue like this. Let's try to put on this steering wheel here. Alright, I think that steering wheel went on alright. Now, take some glue here. Dab it along that edge. We're going to carefully place this windshield here. First try, it actually went in great. Alright, so that is the Jeep with a window up. And the window down is the same concept. Everything you learned with the window down is the same. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the video, and I'm going to assemble this, and then I'll skip ahead to the part where the only difference of the kit is, and I'll show you that. Alright, so here is the video, or the Jeep that we just assembled, and here is the Jeep that's assembled of the very same way as this Jeep. However, there's this one difference with the window down feature. You want to put glue on the side there, and glue on the side there. And if you wish, some glue there and there. And you just want to take this window here, and place it like that. Double check it's going down on that side. Alright, so there is the Willys Jeep with the windows down. These are both available at miniaturetanks.com, the window up and the window down versions. Thank you so much for watching.